We're going to take a yarn needle with the yarn tail to close the piece. We're going to fold the yarn like this before threading it through the needle eye to avoid shedding. First, we're going to tie a knot in this stitch to make it the same height with others as we worked in spiral. Insert needle in this stitch. Then bring it out from this loop. So we'll have a loop here. Next, we're going to bring the needle through the front half of these stitches in groups of 2, and change to back loop when there's only 4 stitches left. That's because their front loops will be used to crochet the comb. Let me mark them so it'll be easier to spot. Here's the first group, the front loop of this stitch which angled with the tail, and the loop of the knot we just made. 2, 3, 4. Now only 4 stitches left. Let me place stitch markers on their front loops. I recommend you to attach stitch markers here as well, so it'll be easier to locate the stitches when crocheting the comb. We're going to bring the yarn tail through the front loops of the first group, then pull tight. Squeeze your piece like this for easier handling. Let's move on. Alright, if you feel like you need any more stuffing, this is your last chance. Mine looks good, so I'll move on to the next group. Okay, back loops here. And the last group. Now go right into here, and then come out somewhere on the other side. Not pull too tight here. Now we're going to trim off. If there's a little shedding, just remove it, then use the needle to tuck the yarn tail inside.